Hey guys, I'm just going to show you how to program the new Swan Grinder. We're going to cover the dose per button, the speed you can have per button, and whether you want to activate into a dose into your handle via the portafilter or by using the button. So if you've got any Marzocco equipment and you've seen this 3-button combo, it's very intuitive and similar to other products. If you want to change the dose setting on button number 1, just press and hold the button and you'll go into a next menu and you can see the plus and minus. So the middle button's going to be plus, the left hand button's going to be back to minus, and to get out of it just press and hold the 2 buttons at the same time. If you want to change dose 2, select dose 2, press and hold dose 2, and again exact same menu there to increase or decrease. Now, if you want to see more settings, which is getting into whether you want to have a low, medium or high speed, because that's what you can do with this machine, you need to access the next deeper level of the parameters. And to do that, you hold the 2 buttons together and you'll see this option come up. So to get out of this menu, all you have to do is hit button 3. So essentially button 1, button 2, button 3. Now, to progress through, it's the right hand button. It's going to tell you your firmware option there. To go through, again, we want to see, do we want to grind with portafilter or another option? To check what the menu says for other options, you can press the right hand button, which is basically your enter, and it'll start to flash. And then you can change that to either by the button or when you're popping in your portafilter. So I'll leave it on portafilter, and to select your option, you press enter. We can go through our next menu option, which is dose 1 settings. Now we can change the dose, but we want some extra things to play with. So basically enter that menu. You could change the revolutions, which we did previously, or you can change the speed of the motor. Again, to get access to there, press and hold the right hand button. And then you can go low, medium or high. And once you've selected the right option that you're after, press the right hand button for enter. Once you're out of that, you can go to the next option and you can exit dose 1. If you progress forward through the menu by using the middle button, you've got the same settings for dose 2, and you can set up some differences for button 3. Now that's at 0.2 of a rotation, so it's kind of like a little tap button just to give you a little bit extra dose if you needed it, if you hadn't got it quite set up right. There's no other options to do once you've progressed through the menu, so essentially you have to push button 3 to exit, and there you go, you're back ready to use your grinder. There you go, pretty simple, nice and easy. Hope you liked that video. If you want any extra tips, make sure you do like and subscribe to the Artisti YouTube channel. There's heaps of content like this, quick tips if you're a barista and you need an answer, there's definitely something there for you, and a whole lot more around how to make great coffee for cafes and home baristas. Anyway, thanks for watching, catch you next time. Cheers.